The kinds of repairs we do here at Niagara Trailers range in a whole variety. We do everything from small repairs to huge repairs. We do as changing a screen in your door all the way up to changing the wall on your RV. So we can pretty well handle any job, big or small, here at Niagara Trailers. From our point of view, great service means when you're looking after your customers and they come in and thank you. We have numerous emails, telephone calls from customers that have interacted with our service department and got away on time or fixed them last minute, and they come in and they thank us. So to me, that's good service. The main benefit of being an RV care dealership is the confidence we give our customers when they're traveling. Anywhere throughout North America, they can stop at an RV care dealer and get the same treatment they would here at Niagara Trailers. So that confidence we give them is key, and we believe it's a great selling feature. Our service department here at Niagara Trailers has 12 service bays. We have a great support staff in the service department. We have 10 licensed RV mechanics, so we can take care of all your service needs in a timely fashion. You can never rest on your laurels. Great service is something you have to work on every day.